All right, so I have a Chevy. It's got the front of a express van, but then it has this attachment to the back of it. Lately, there's been a lot of break-ins on these type of utility vehicles due to the fact that they have a lot of valuable tools in the back and all this stuff to work with, such as this. Now, I don't know what the head is for, but all this other stuff you see here, it costs a lot of money. So what thieves do, because they know there are things in here of value, they break into them and they take whatever they can and they run off. If you look up top, we got a solution for that. That's a pin to this door that was put in, right now. A little bit of time. This is the company that called us out to do this. So if you're in Dallas, there you go. For all the plumbing needs and what have you. So I'm opening up this door and it's gonna go off. Just like that. There we go. So it just works to the wise, and of course all the other doors. They don't have power door locks, so it's very important that these are also working as well. Because if you forget to lock the doors, but you arm the alarm, well, it goes off. And that's both doors. Alright. So there it is. If you have one of these type of work trucks, I encourage you to get that in the back door. These side doors, good luck in breaking into those. That ain't what they after. This is what they after. They break these padlocks. Don't ask me how. I'm not a thief, so I don't know. But put that pin switch in there, and it's all good. From me to you, to the working man out there with these kind of trucks, get it. It'll save you a lot of money in the long run. With that being said, Auto and Precious, you're on LTD.